everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, it's a beautiful Easter Sunday today here in Makati, Philippines. And yes, today I'm taking you all with me on a street walk to explore how Filipinos celebrate this special day. So yes, we will see local traditions, check out the vibe on the roads, try some food and enjoy the colors of Easter together. So yes, let's go guys. This evening I visited the church and the people were dressed very beautifully and they were praying. Actually the atmosphere was peaceful and Easter is actually the very happiest moment for the Filipinos in the Philippines, and they were very well dressed and all of them were praying. Actually the moment was actually very pleasant, and I actually visited the church with my husband. So yes, we actually witnessed a very beautiful moment in the church today on the eve of Easter in the Makati.
Easter Sunday marks the resurrection of Jesus Christ, and here it's celebrated with sunrise mass, family reunions, and big meals. After the Holy Week, people are now out enjoying the day. Even on holidays, you will find small vendors.
बहुत सारी भीड़ जा रही है, वो देखो कितनी सारी भीड़ है। और वहाँ पे कुछ मेला वेला लगा हुआ है, वो अंदर जा सकते हैं हम लोग। आओ चलते हैं, इधर से ही एंट्रेंस है ना। आओ।
Video of Filipino spirit. So always smiling, always hustling. So we are moving towards the church. We are going to pray there together on the very special, very holy day of Easter Sunday. And we reached to the church in the Makati Bel village. And guys, I hope this video brings you a piece of Easter from the Philippines, whether you are alone with family or far from home. I'm sending you lots of love.
Good.
As you wander Makati's side street, you will spot pop-up stalls offering Easter-themed pastries, ube cupcakes, and with tiny balloons in Easter colors. These little delights capture the fusion of faith and flavor that's uniquely Filipino.
Jesus Christ इसमें
अच्छा। So I know in the Philippines the Easter festival is actually the mix of the family, faith, and the food actually, because Filipino are incomplete without the food. So any celebration of Filipino is incomplete without the food. So yes, we will have some food today later, but yes, today we are here after the church visit, church prayer here in the Century City Makati. So yes, because here the vibe is like very pleasant. It gives me the vibe of like I am very developed, I mean like very developed country. So yes, this is the Century City Mall. Here I am standing, and yes, there are a few beautiful and the huge skyscrapers and yes, residence building. So yes, look at this behind me. This is the egg hunt. So actually the egg hunt today, it was also in my residence. So yes, let's see. Okay, let's see together what we can have today.
Actually, I visited thrice in the Century City Mall and the residence
क्या
near
लिखा
the
हुआ है?
Century
Hello?
City Mall. This is actually amazing. So the roads are like full of hygiene and sanitized. And yes, here actually today on 20 April there was a like Easter program for the kids. So we just missed the play because we just reached here very late in the evening after the prayer and was just looking around. So the people were walking, jogging, and yes, the location is actually very prime. I like the spot in front of Centuria Makati Medical, and here the breezing is very good, very fresh. So it was like very hot today. So we just sat here and decided to have some drink, and the air breeze was very fresh. So for getting freshness, we just sit here.
I desired to go to the Rockwell City Center, but yes, he is not agree with me, so he don't want to go there because it's too far from the location we are right now. So yes, we are planning to walk around this place. What's the name of this place? Century City. So this is also the very amazing place here. Are if you are in family, if you are a couple, then you should come here. Actually, this place is like very beautiful. Here you can find the few malls like Century City Mall and the Centuria Makati Med also in this location. So yeah, I want to show you the glimpse of this location.
So, guys, let's take a little walk now. You can see families coming out, kids running around with Easter baskets. The roads are quieter than usual. After all, it's a long weekend. You can't celebrate anything in the Philippines. So, today we found something unique and we are going to have later. So this feaster feels different for me. Being away from home, being away from family, but still surrounded by the warmth of people here. It's actually comforting. So as someone working on women's rights and community development, I feel personally like holidays like me remind me how important family and the community we are living in, the society. So now we got to know the importance of the family and the community. Easter is not just about tradition, it's a moment to pause and reflect. Away from the bustle of everyday life, it reminds us of resilience and hope. Whether you are here in Makati or watching from afar, take a moment today to think about what new life means to you. Happy Easter, everyone. Stay grateful and yes, stay hopeful. Bye.